Okay, making another shifter knob for a 2001 Civic using yellow pool ball this time, and Connor's just sanding it nice and smooth with a scratch pad. And we've already drilled the hole. I'll check the bit size for you. See, the hole's already drilled. We drilled it about 90% through, and I'll check the bit size. It was, I have to pull it out. .23/64 bit for the 2001 Civic manual transmission, and we'll be back in a second. Okay, now we're going to tap holes in the ball, or threads in the ball. It's an M10 by 1.5 is the thread pitch, so we're just going to use a tap and slowly tap the threads in. Now you can just screw the ball directly on. I didn't have a drill bit the proper size for the Honda, so this was a lot easier to do it this way just in case. I'm just going to tap the threads all the way down into the bottom and then reverse the tap out, and it should tap right onto the gear shaft, gear lever. Fun? Yeah. Nicer than doing it through steel. Steel's a lot less fun now. Now back her out. Squeak, 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 squeak. Okay. I'll tap that onto the... Perfect. Now once it screws on, we're going to note where forward is and then make a mark with a pencil so we can perfectly line up the gear numbers that we're going to put on with Letraset. So we're just going to mark exactly, is that tight, dead tight? That's as tight as it's going?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're just going to use a pencil mark and mark forward on that so we know exactly how to line up the numbers once it's on. Okay, so we've got our Letraset or dry erase numbers and letters here. And that's what we're going to be using to transfer on the top of the ball. And if you can see closely, we've just lightly put the numbers where we want them on top of the ball. Then we're going to place the letters over top and dry erase them on. You can try lining them up yourself without any pencil mark on it, but they're kind of tough. And the Letraset, until you clear coat it, is going to be really, really fragile. So you got to be careful, because sometimes they're just going to peel off. You might have to do it 3 or 4 times sometimes. So I'll just show you a letter going on. Here, I'll hold that, and you can position one over the 2.
Oh, I was going to do the 1. See it? There it is. Oh, jeez.
It's a bit of a pain.
Where's the 2 go? There.
Don't push too hard, just, yeah. Make sure you get every part of the 2, yeah.
2 broke.
It did?
Yep.
Yeah, it broke. We're going to pull this off and do another one. It does happen with Letraset sometimes. It's just kind of a pain. And when it does, you scratch it off and start over. And anyway, that's what we're doing. And well, we'll do it. We'll show you when we got them all on there. It may take a few tries. Okay, this is what was decided upon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B for backwards. We can always change it to R for reverse later. So anyway, that's it done, and we're just going to clear coat it. So we'll show you that in a second. Show you what it's all like all done. It's just clear coat. Okay, this is the yellow shifter knob done. B for backup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 backup. I guess that's the way it goes, but it's all clear coated and done, and ready to screw on. So to have the clear coat dry, there's one little drip you can see at the top. Yeah, you can see it anyway. I'll just get polished off, sanded off with 500 grit sandpaper. This is how we wanted it, and this is how we did it. Nice and simple.